I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Monday morning, the 14th day of December, and very moist air mass and awfully foggy out there in spots. You bet it's foggy down in Baldwin County. That's the sky cam down at Daphne on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. How about Clanton in Chilton County? The city's down there somewhere. We just can't see it. And the fog not quite as bad up this way. That's the Inverness sky cam overlooking Highway 280. A little foggy, but again, not as thick as it is down to the south. Well, we got a trough coming in. You can see the trough axis northwest of the state, and that should bring some rain around here today and tonight. Obviously, it's drizzly this morning. And temperatures are relatively mild. We've got mostly mid-50s, the exception up at Gadsden. They've got 48. It's often hard to get that cold air scoured out up in the northeastern counties, but Montgomery is sitting almost at 60 this morning. And later today, we figured that many spots will be up there around 70, especially south of here. We'll forecast a high in the upper 60s for most places. And again, there's a little drizzle out there. You can see a few specks on the radar that's in the clear air mode. But just the chance of a few scattered showers later today. And the most significant rain from this will be down south, where we have flash flood watches up for parts of southwest Alabama, south Mississippi, and the parishes of southeast Louisiana. And up north, we've got winter weather advisories for the area from Des Moines up toward Green Bay for some snow up there. There's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting rains of over 2 inches down in southwest Alabama, with the amounts much lighter up here. That would probably be around 1/2 inch or less later today and tonight. And in terms of severe weather, there are just low-end probabilities for tonight along the Gulf Coast, all the way from Lake Charles over to Dothan and Tallahassee. And then tomorrow, that area shifts over into extreme southeast Alabama and South Georgia. And those 5% probabilities do not warrant a slight risk, so it's a minor threat. Let's look at modeling. This is the GFS at noon today, the 06Z run. 588 Warm Ridge over Miami. If you want some warm weather, Miami, Fort Myers, or Key West, we recommend. Cold polar vortex over eastern Canada that has shifted a bit north. And you see we got a southwest flow aloft. And down below that at midday today, you can see much of the deep south will be in a soggy air mass. And again, you can see the surface low near Chicago with the light snow north of that. The trailing cold front runs down to about Monroe, and that will be coming in here late tonight. So we do figure that there'll be a few showers around tonight and maybe some thunder. We'll go to midnight tonight, and you can see already by then the model has the main convection over South Alabama with the surface front coming in through here. So again, no doubt we will have some rain at times today and tonight. The heaviest rain should be down south. And tomorrow, same thing. And we have cold air advection going on here. We'll mention maybe some lingering rain tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, a cloudy and cool day. Could be a day with falling temperatures. We might start off in the mid-50s and wind up in the upper 40s by mid to late afternoon with a north wind coming off the snowpack up north. And again, the modeling will not handle that well. And Wednesday, we go mostly sunny and cool. High probably around 50. Thursday, sunny with mid-50s after a start probably at or below freezing. Now, Friday, at the end of the week, you can see a fairly energetic flow here. We've got one piece of energy down in southeast Alabama, another one northwest of the state, and for the moment, those do not phase up. And the model is spitting out this solution, a little bit of snow up north with the northern vortex and a surface low in the eastern Gulf, and rain over southeast Alabama Friday with that feature. I would say this is a low-confidence look. If that thing phases up, we might have to look at some risk of light rain or maybe even snow flurries or something Friday night. Just for now, we'll leave it dry and just be aware that that is there. Saturday, starting off the weekend, looks dry as the impulse moves on to the east. A little shot of colder air coming in, the high probably close to 50. And Sunday, again, a cool day with a northerly flow. Temperatures Saturday and Sunday could be in the 40s much of the day both days, but with a pretty decent amount of sunshine, and both days for now look dry. And Monday of next week, Christmas week. Wow. December 21st. The vortex has dropped south over eastern Canada. And down below that, that looks pretty cool. A vortex coming through, maybe suggesting a few flurries. A couple of days later, middle of next week, December 23rd, that's the system that will be of great interest to Alabamians. A disturbance passing through the southern branch, some cold air in place. Could it snow? Well, we don't know yet. This is voodoo land, but the idea of a storm is on the table. And, of course, for most of the state, that would be a cold rain, but on the northern flank, there could be a few snowflakes if this is right. Then for Christmas Eve, cold air advection there, cold and dry. And Christmas Day looks dry and rather chilly. And, of course, with this look, no white Christmas. But, again, this is out there in the extended forecast beyond 7 days, so this could change. Into the forecast, 29th of December. Very active zonal flow across the country, and for the moment, that looks relatively dry. But again, confidence out here is going to be pretty low because of the active nature of this pattern. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.